Hey guys, today I finally got some much needed parts in the mail. Got the AN fittings I've been waiting for to plumb in the clutch, so that's good. So we're going to get that plumbed in today, possibly make a second bracket for that clutch pedal to make sure it's sturdy and doesn't rip through the firewall. I also got my steering wheel hub adapter, so I think I'm going to get that steering wheel installed and finish up the custom dash. So let's get to work.
Can you show me how to put an aftermarket steering wheel on my car? Yes, we can, Adam. Yes, we can.
Alright, here's that roll pin that I stuck back in the slave cylinder. Pop that out. Here's that adapter. It's a Russell adapter. So you should just be able to push that right in. Feel like I probably should have put some oil on that O-ring, but I didn't. So I believe that's in all the way. I'll go ahead and tap that roll pin back in without breaking anything. I guess that's all. I don't feel like that's actually gonna hold, but maybe it will.